Okay, hi all. I am. I hope that I'm audible because I'm not put on my mic or anything, and I'm also not switched off the fan. And it is probably going to rain outside, and so you might be able to hear the sound of the rain, which is very ASMR sort of. But anyway, coming back to the topic. So I have a debate coming soon. I have my debate on the 12th of July, and today is the 10th of July. So I was just sitting and I was doing some work. I was actually uploading a few videos on YouTube, and this is that. So honestly, I have always wanted to create content and I've always wanted to start this whole thing on YouTube. The idea that I had back in 2029 or 2019, 2019 and 2020, even before 2020, was that I want to really create long form content because I thoroughly enjoy creating long form content because I feel that here you can actually connect and share all that you want to, whereas when it comes to short form content, it is mostly just a business and a game of attention. How well are you able to grab the attention of the person who is scrolling through? And you're not actually able to be very realistic, you're not able to be your very authentic self, even though I try my best to be my authentic self and I do not try to get into that whole trap and business of luring people and using their attention deficient behavior to aid your earnings or your follower count, because I truly do not believe in that and the whole thing just does not resonate with me. But that is what it is about, and I feel that you cannot really portray your whole personality there. It's just a very small piece and just a very small, rigid format, whereas this is very flexible and it allows you to actually present yourself as a whole and not just a portion of your life or just some clips. So that is the basically whole idea. And but when I got really bored here because I was not getting a very good response and I was also not able to put in the efforts that this required, I moved there. I switched to Instagram. Anyway, so I'm loving the weather because it is such a beautiful weather. It is the rainy weather. It's monsoon. I love monsoon more than anything in this world. Like, yes, I really enjoy this season thoroughly. Like, nobody in my home likes monsoon, and they have their own genuine reasons for. थोड़े बहुत मेरे notes वगैरह रखे हुए हैं. This is all that I look at the मौसम outside and it's so beautiful. But anyway, coming back. तो हमारा जो एजेंडा है दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द अग्निवीर स्कीम विच इज ब्रॉट बाय द गवर्नमेंट, एंड दिस इज ऑल दैट आई हैव रिसर्च्ड अभी तक. थोड़ा बहुत इतना मैंने पढ़ा है और रिसर्च किया है. अभी आई हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च, अ लॉट ऑफ good research is still required into this which I am about to do now. मैं ऐसे सेशंस में तोड़ तोड़ के धीरे धीरे पूरी रिसर्च कर रही हूँ, बट अच्छे से कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई रियली 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 want to win this, okay? And I will put in all the efforts that are required for this. I am ready to do all of that, so please touch wood. So what we're going to do now is, बहुत अच्छा मौसम हो गया है बाहर. देखो मतलब मैं जैसे ही पढ़ने बैठी वैसे ही इतना अच्छा मौसम हो गया. बट आई थिंक दैट दिस इज लाइक अ ब्लेसिंग. तो इसी को एंजॉय करते हुए आई विल सिट एंड डू द रिसर्च. ऑल्सो बहुत सारे लोगों का ये क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ डू यू डू रिसर्च. लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ द पीपल दैट आई नो, the ones that I've met through my debating journey, the ones that I've met through my content creation journey, the ones who are in my college, the ones who have known me since school, सबका ये क्वेश्चन बहुत आता है दैट हाउ डू यू रिसर्च, हाउ डू यू नो वेयर टू स्टडी फ्रॉम, हाउ डू यू नो what all resources to use and what all resources to cite. So everybody has asked me this and I'm actually planning to take a session on this in my learning community, because a lot of people have asked me this. तो सिर्फ learning community के लोगों तक ही मैं वो क्यों सीमित रखूँ, बाहर के भी लोग can come and they can also avail the whole opportunity to learn basically. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Abhi let's just sit and research. It is raining, raining. I love this season like a madman. I have a debate and I have to prepare for that debate. And I don't know why I had been procrastinating this, but now finally I am sitting down and I am studying and preparing for it. So, thoda bahut I'll show you. Wait. This is going to be, wait, बस देख लो मेरी आवाज़ तो नहीं जा रही. Okay. This is going to be the second session of this committee, and now I'm going to get all aggressive, like serious all aggressive, because this will not work. I cannot be fragile and vulnerable and represent my portfolio that way. I have to be now aggressive. So I'm going in fully, like I'm going to go full in.